In this video, I'm going to share a quick and inexpensive way to stop vinyl siding from melting. If you think your property's vinyl siding is at risk of melting caused by sun glare reflecting off windows, then the best thing to do is get Siding Guard window film installed ASAP. This affordable melted vinyl siding solution can stop sun glare from ruining vinyl siding and stop turf grass melting caused by sun reflections off windows before it starts. And Siding Guard can potentially also protect you from some serious awkward situations with your neighbors. If you have energy efficient windows and your neighbors have vinyl siding, then it may be just a matter of time before sun glare off your windows that face their home melt the walls and burn up any goodwill between you and them. Likewise, if your neighbors have low-E windows installed while your property has vinyl walls on the exterior, you soon may be the one suffering the property damage caused entirely by someone else's property. Getting Siding Guard window film to stop windows reflection from melting your neighbor's vinyl siding is the honorable thing to do, and it will cost you a lot less to get a few windows treated with Siding Guard film than it will to help cover the cost of vinyl siding melted by the sun's reflection. On the other hand, if it's your home that's at risk for melted vinyl siding caused by a neighbor's energy-efficient windows reflecting too much light, it's a much less awkward conversation to discuss the issue that you fear may happen than it is to come complaining about the damage that has already been inflicted on your property. There are plenty of ways to go about discussing preventing melted vinyl siding caused by window glare thanks to using Siding Guard. You can even offer to split the cost of the install with your neighbor, as after all, you will both benefit from the new window treatment. Or if you both have vinyl siding and energy-efficient windows, getting Siding Guard installed on both properties can be a neighborly bonding experience. Siding Guard window film is a do-it-yourself solution that protects your artificial grass and vinyl siding by reducing the sun's reflection off of windows. Visit meltedvinylsiding.com for more information or to purchase.